In this video, we're going to solve this equation, 3 over x plus 5 minus 4 over x equal to 5 over the expression x squared plus 5x. As we do this, this is a rational equation, so the first thing we want to do here is find the common denominator. And in order to do that, I need to take each factor that appears to the highest power we see it, but we need to make sure we can see the factors first. The first two fractions, the denominators are factored. However, the third one, we can actually factor. There is a monomial of x in both terms, so we can pull that out to start with. As far as the common denominator now, I'm going to take each factor I see to the highest power I see it, which is x and x plus 5. So that's my common denominator. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the original problem before I do my second step in this process. So we got x plus 5, we got 3 on top, x, 4. Just kind of trying to give myself a little bit more to write out the next step. A little bit more room here. And 5, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by my common denominator. This is a review video, but whenever we multiply it on the left side, we're going to have to distribute it through to both terms. So I'm just going to do that right away here and end up multiplying each fraction by my common denominator. And then I also have to multiply the right side by my common denominator as well. The purpose of doing this is to get rid of all the fractions. So as I go through and do this, the x plus 5s here will cancel, leaving me with 3x. The x's will cancel in the middle fraction, leaving me with minus 4 times x plus 5. And in the third fraction, the x's cancel, so do the x plus 5s. So we're left with just 5. To finish this process, we need to solve whatever equation we get here. So in order to tell the exact process I need to solve, I need to distribute my negative 4 through. So it's going to be 3x minus 4x minus 20 equals 5. This is a linear equation. There is no quadratic. So now that I know what type of equation it is, I can solve it like a linear. Then you combine like terms. I'll have negative 1x minus 20 equals 5. Then it's just a two-step equation from here. I'll add 20 to both sides. Get negative 1x equals 25. And then finally divide by negative 1. Get x is equal to negative 25. We should also verify, make sure our answer is not an extraneous solution. To do that, we need to check the bottom of the fractions here. So if I do in the bottom negative 25 plus 5, that does not give me 0. So this one is not extraneous, at least for the first fraction. If you try the second fraction, negative 25, well, negative 25 is not 0, so we're good. And if you try the third fraction, well, there's not much of sense in trying that one, since the third fraction just contains the two factors that we've already tried. So it's safe to say, as long as we didn't have any algebraic mistakes, we are good. You can actually check the full thing if you want by plugging everything in, or check it by using a graphing calculator. I usually only check to see if it's an extraneous solution or not, though.